I'm next to my 04 GMC. It's got the Duramax 6.6 liter in it, and I'll be doing a review today on the Kleen-flo Diesel Fuel Conditioner. I'll just give you a good shot right there, and you can freeze it if you want to read the rest of it. It's springtime now, and I've used this for the majority of the winter. This is really good. It helps on startups in the wintertime. Lately this truck has been getting a bit of a shudder at an idle, and I'm going to go fill up my tank and put some of this in, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like now, and I'll let you know what it sounds like after I've used up the tank of fuel with the conditioner in. That starts up really good. And I'm going to get some fuel and get this thing up to operating temperature. So there's the fuel prices right there today. I got a full tank. It's up to operating temperature still, and I'm at 357, 189 kilometers, and I've got it in drive. Now I don't know if you can hear that, but when it's idling in drive it seems to kind of rev up and down, up, down, up, down. It's very slight. Okay, I got the microphone right close by the window. Sounds good. Now listen to the difference when I put it into gear. Kind of chugs in between there a little bit. You can feel the chugging when it's sitting at a stop sign or a stoplight. On the container it says that it treats 500 liters of fuel, and I have a 100 liter tank, so I'm going to use 1/5 of this, give or take. Okay, I can see through the container here. I'm down to about there in the container. Oop. As you can see, still some in there. Alright, once I'm done this tank full, I'll show you the kilometers again and give you another review, and we can see how she idles after this. Okay, I had to go get some fuel. It's idling a lot smoother already. If you look at the tach there, it's pretty steady. Wasn't like that before the Kleen-flo. Kleen-flo, you're awesome. So make sure you subscribe to my new channel. Make sure you hit the like button and get your free t-shirt from Kleen-flo. And if you drive a diesel, make sure that you get some of this diesel conditioner. It's awesome.